Hi, good morning, viewers. I am Roshan Anil Kumar and I am a fresher in the Institute of Hotel Management, Goa. I am thrilled to be taking part in the Jharkhand Cookery League hosted by IHM Ranchi. I thank the organizers for this wonderful opportunity and today I will be presenting Jharkhand style mutton curry. So let's start. Get over the ingredients for today's dish. We have cinnamon sticks, whole green cardamom, turmeric powder, some salt, ghee, fried potatoes, mustard oil, bay leaf, cloves, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, some yogurt, some mutton marinated in salt and pepper with lime, some chili powder, sliced onions, chopped garlic, green chilies, grated ginger, and black peppercorns. We take some black peppercorns, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, chopped garlic, and some green chilies. Then we add some water and make a thin paste. First we take some mutton and then add the paste that we made previously. Then we add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then we add sliced onions. Remember, we will also use some more sliced onions by separately sauteing them in the pan. Then you add some yogurt, salt, and then you give it a proper stir. All the ingredients should be mixed and incorporated properly. After that, you add some mustard oil because the mustard oil makes the dish even more pungent. We heat some mustard oil in the pan and add 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves, and 2 cinnamon sticks. We also add some green cardamom pods. You stir it for a while and then you add rest of the sliced onions. Then you add some fried potatoes and you saute the mixture till it is golden brown. After that, you add half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and you will mix the ingredients properly and cook them well. Later on, you'll heat some mustard oil in a pressure cooker and add the onions, and accompanied by that, you add the mutton. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and then you can add some yogurt for a thick consistency. Stir the mixture for 15 minutes. Ensure you don't cook the mixture totally. Now instead of adding water, we add stock to increase the flavor. The stock is vegetable stock. And then you add some grated ginger. After that, pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Jharkhand style cuisine looks interesting to me because of the following reasons. It was amazing on how they used such less spices and yet got so much flavor to their dishes. Their humble beginnings, their humble taste caught my interest. Especially on how the mutton curry was made and stored into clay pots. It was truly amazing on how such a simple, humble dish can be so appealing to the palate. Thank you for watching this presentation. Do not forget to try it out.